The beginning of this week's trade, and joining us for this morning's market update is Phaswane Mphahlele from Makwe Fund Managers. A very good morning to you, Phaswane. Let's start with the Asian markets. How did they open after the Red Friday that we saw?
Good morning, Rafua. Well, when looking into the Asian trade, there's not a lot of taking place because we had the likes of China, Taiwan, and the South Korea there going on a lunar break. And we've seen those markets that are open currently, like the Indian markets, they're trading flat coming out of that red energy coming from last week and are pricing their hopes on those U.S. interest rate cuts that will change global liquidity.
Now, the JSE also had a tough Friday, but looking to this week, what do you expect will move the markets?
Yeah, definitely. Like most markets, we experience instability at the back of those U.S. growth downside risks, looking at their weaker data. And this has just filtered investors to trade the dollar lower, along with the yields at the back of those weaker data. And we'll see a continued pricing of these developments coming from Friday, and it will continue to hurt some big cap stocks. But the likes of gold, selected commodities, energy would be getting a benefit. Consumer staples should go, and bonds being continued to bought. And the JSE is a market characterized by real assets at the back of those commodities, so should manage to ease out weekly gains this one, especially with the resource sector there to do most of the heavy lifting at the back of those interest rate cuts being priced in from 2 to 3.